Thank you for purchasing a Waters Co Biomineral Pot 400 5.25 litre benchtop filter system. This step-by-step guide will show you how to flush your filters for the first time and assemble the unit. First, let's assemble the unit and familiarise ourselves with the components. The cap, the upper housing, the main filter, the first stage filter, and pre-filter holder. In the filter kit, you'll find the bioceramic pot, the mineral filter sub-cartridge, and the alkalite diskette. Please pay particular attention to the flushing instructions and maintenance sheet. Because our filters are customised for fluoride removal and due to geographic differences in water quality, filter life may vary from the instruction booklet. It is important to refer to the additional instruction sheet for the expected lifespan and maintenance schedule. Inside the glass reservoir, you'll find the bioceramic pot. To begin the flushing process, remove the pre-filter from the first stage filter holder. Then unwrap the first stage filter from its packaging. Next, unwrap the main filter. Ensure that the O-ring is attached to the base of the thread of the top of the main filter. Next, remove these sub-micron pre-filters from the bioceramic pot and set them to one side. Unpack the mineral filter sub-cartridge. Fill a sink or another appropriate vessel with cold water. Submerge the main filter, the mineral filter sub-cartridge, the alkalite diskette, and the bioceramic pot in the water and let them soak for 30 minutes. Fill a separate sink or vessel with lukewarm water. Insert the upper filter and allow it to soak for 30 minutes. Once the pre-soak is complete, remove all of the cold water components and set them to one side. Remove the upper filter from the lukewarm water and press it firmly into the upper filter holder. Then insert this assembly into the upper housing. Place the upper housing back into the sink. Using warm water, flush the upper filter continuously for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to keep the water at a slow flow rate to keep the water from spilling out from the top of the upper housing. Once the upper filter flush is complete, remove the upper filter assembly from the upper housing. Set it to one side. Now take the main filter and attach it to the upper filter housing by screwing it in clockwise. Return the upper housing with the main filter attached to the sink. Flush the main filter in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the cold water to run through slowly as to avoid any overflowing in the upper housing basin. Take the mineral filter sub-cartridge and rinse it under cold water. After the rinse, shake and tap the sub-cartridge to loosen any excess particles. Repeat the rinsing process until the water that passes through is clear. Next, rinse the bioceramic holder and the glass reservoir in hot water. You may wish to use a sterilizing agent such as apple cider vinegar, but this is not necessary. Replace the glass reservoir onto the pot base. Take the mineral filter sub-cartridge and place it on the bottom of the glass reservoir, off to one side. Insert the bioceramic pot holder into the top of the glass reservoir. Place the alkalite diskette into the bioceramic pot and place the bioceramic pot into the pot holder. Take the upper housing from the sink and insert the upper filter assembly. Press down firmly to ensure that it sits flush within the upper housing. Place the upper housing onto the top of the glass reservoir. Your Biomineral Pot 400 5.25 litre benchtop filter system is ready to use. This filter comes equipped with pre-filter pads in the upper filter housing. These pads should be changed every 2 to 3 weeks, or when they start to take on a yellow-brown colour. To change the pads, remove the pre-filter cap by pressing to the side with your thumb. Then simply remove the old pad, insert a new one, and replace the cap, firmly pressing the bracket back into place.